Hello, in this video I am going to tell you how could you enroll your student inside your course. For that, just take your login, go to your department and then go inside your course. After being there, okay, one more important thing is once you created a course and you found that in your dashboard your course is not getting appear. The reason for that, you are in a manager role inside your course, and manager is going to just manage the course. So if you want that your course would appear on your dashboard, just enroll yourself into your course as a teacher. Once you've done that, your course will be appear on your dashboard. But right now we are going to add our student inside our course. So I'm going to a particular course. Right now I am inside my folder, my category name, and then one course is created. So now I am inside a course. So in order to add the students, you have to click on this participant button. But if it is not appearing here, maybe this sandwich icon is clicked, because if it is, that left panel would appear or disappear by clicking this sandwich icon. So if it is not already there, just click on the sandwich icon, this left panel would appear. Now click on participants option. Now there is a gear icon on the right hand side of the screen. Just click on that. Click on enrollment methods. Now this screen would appear. Just click on the drop down menu of add method option. Click on cohort sync. So this page would appear. Now you have to add a appropriate group of students. Now what does the mean of group is here? There are various departments, and in every department there are multiple years. So how I divided the students into groups, like department name and then batch year and then section name. Now department is the abbreviated name for, like, for example, for computer science department just CSE, mechanical ME and so on. Year signifies in which year that particular batch is enters into the kite premises. Like if it is started from 2019, then that means a student who appears inside the kite in 2019. I'm talking about batch, not particular student. Some cases would be there, like majority of the student appears in 2019 and some of the students appear in 2020. That would be the case for lateral entry or maybe some from diploma holders. So I'm not talking about particular some students. In majority of the case, for majority of the batches, if the batch enters into 2019, that the batch year is 2019 for the whole batch. Might be the case in some of that student inside that batch would not follow that year strictly. So anyway, so suppose I would like to add a mechanical department third year A section. So for that, just click here on cohort, write down ME for mechanical. Now all the batches related to mechanical department would appear before you. So here, like ME 2017 A, 2017 B, 2017 C, this is the final year of 3 section in mechanical department. Likewise ME 2018 A, 18B, 18C, 18D, these 4 sections are of third year. So suppose I would like to add mechanical department third year A section, so I would pick this one. So just add one group at a time. Maybe you would like to add more than one group, so click one group at a time. Now here is a very important thing, add to group. By default it is none here, change it to create new group. So this is very important because if you are not changing this option, you might increase your task for at least half an hour in future. So please do it. Add to group from none to create new group, and now click on this add method button. Default role is student, so all the whole batch is going to enroll in the role of student. If you change this, the batch would be enrolled in that particular role. So here teacher, manager, so lot of roles for there, so you have to pick the student. That is the default choice. Now mechanical department A section, there is 47 students, so that these students are enrolled inside your course. Now suppose you are taking class in two different batches, maybe in B section as well. So for to add the student from B section, just repeat the process. Click on add method drop down menu, cohort sync. In cohort drop down menu, just type ME, not 18B. So suppose if you are taking class in A section as well as in B section, then click on the B this time. Default role is student. Here you have to convert it, create new group. Now this is the group which you earlier add the students, so that is the name of that group. So you have to pick create new group only, no other option. Now add method button. So now after enrolling this batch ME 2018B, you have enrolled two sections inside your course: mechanical 2018 A section and mechanical 2018 B section. Both two sections are enrolled inside your course. See, there are multiple ways to enroll student inside your course. I am picking this option. Why this option? I don't think it's at this point of time I could explain those things, but please choose only this option. There are multiple options along with this option, but please do choose only this option. Now just to verify whether you selected appropriate group or not, just click on participants option here. So all the students from section A as well as section B, all the students will be appearing here. So this is 2018 A, so all these students are from section A, and here are the section B students. So if you just click on this here over show all 92 students, so all the 92 students irrespective to their sections would appear here. So you could simply cross check whether you have enrolled all the correct student or not.